I think I saw them on either Facebook or Instagram. I had already had a couple of bids. The first two were worlds apart. Stone came out very punctual, responded immediately. Just made it easy, from step one. Didn't push me to make a decision or anything like that, which I'm in sales, I can appreciate that. Once I agreed to let's move forward, I was expecting a couple of weeks. It was last Thursday. They were here Monday. Stone told me they'd be here at 8 o'clock Monday morning. Him and RJ were here 10 minutes before that. The crew was here about 3 minutes after that. You don't see that a lot with contractors. Let's be honest, you don't. That right there told me that I made a good decision. And RJ was always keeping me posted, asking me questions. Thank God he saved us a couple of, not disasters, but things that I would not have been happy with or didn't want by asking questions. So, because I wasn't clear, it was my fault. So, very good. Absolutely recommend them. You bet.